And that was The Letter by Box Tops. So now for some more parties happening around town. Tomorrow afternoon, the Winchester Club are having their free barbecue, which starts at 4:30 p.m. And also they have a happy hour from 7 until 10 p.m. And some exciting news, after 10 o'clock, the pub actually turns into a disco. And also I've heard that they have nightly oil wrestling shows there. No idea what that's all about, and I'm not really interested, to be honest, but you will have to go and check that one out for yourselves. And remember, the Winchester Club is located on Soy Watboon Ganchana, which is just off Jomtien Second Road. So that's tomorrow afternoon, the free barbecue at 4:30 p.m. And also tomorrow, if you're feeling in the mood for some beer, you can get yourselves down to Leo Blues Bar and you can enjoy the 60 baht beer promotion all night. And also on Wednesday night, you can join the popular jam sessions where you can actually join in with the jams if you're feeling in the mood for some music. So that's at Leo Blues Bar, which is located on Soy 18, just off Naglua Road. They actually had a remembrance party there last week for Daryl Reid, and the Ramshackle Band were playing there. And they put on a brilliant show. So many people turned up for that party. There's always a nice, friendly crowd down at Leo Blues Bar. So that's what's happening there in the next couple of days. Always something happening in Pattaya. And now for another song. I don't like the sound of the title of this song because it's called Monday Morning. Not my favourite morning of the week. Monday Morning by Melanie Fiona.
I'm leaving town.